Innovation never stands still, and neither do the tools that shape the future. Today, we're showcasing 20 brand new tools that combine clever engineering with unbelievable performance. Let's dive in. The Saddle Square 3D is a precision layout tool that combines 90-degree and 45-degree marking with accurate angle guides and fine measuring capabilities. Featuring built-in rulers, scribe holes, and a drill bit sizing gauge, it helps woodworkers create fast, consistent, and highly accurate layouts for professional quality projects. The Brushless Die Grinder delivers powerful, low-maintenance performance for grinding, polishing, and detailed finishing. Its slim ergonomic grip, variable speed control, spindle lock, paddle switch, and dust protection filter provide greater comfort, safety, and reliability for precision work across a variety of materials. The MC4 Assembly Tool Set is designed for fast and secure installation of MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 photovoltaic connectors. It simplifies connector assembly and tightening, helping installers achieve reliable, professional quality solar cable connections with greater speed and accuracy. The Woodpeckers Ellipse Jig lets you cut precise elliptical shapes with a plunge router for bowls, trays, frames, plaques, and more. Its CNC-machined, zinc-plated steel construction provides exceptional accuracy, durability, and smooth operation, making complex woodworking projects easier and more consistent. The Hilti impact driver delivers fast, precise fastening with a high-speed brushless motor and 3-speed control. Its compact, well-balanced design, bright LED ring light, and durable Neuron platform make it ideal for framing, metalwork, HVAC installation, and demanding construction projects. The Festool SYSLITE Duo H is a hybrid work light that delivers wide, even 180-degree illumination for brighter workspaces. With cordless or corded operation, adjustable brightness, and smart app control, it provides flexible, reliable lighting for workshops, construction sites, and detailed tasks in any environment. The AUSABACO QLI Seam Setter uses powerful suction cups to align and secure stone slabs for precise seam installation. Lever-operated vacuum cups and an adjustable alignment roller make positioning faster, easier, and more accurate, helping fabricators achieve clean, professional joints with minimal effort. The Flextool Planetary Grinder is a compact, high-performance concrete grinder built for efficient surface preparation and polishing. Its weighted grinding head, durable sealed gearbox, and effective dust control deliver professional results, making it an excellent choice for residential projects and small to medium commercial flooring jobs. The JessEm Spline Jig creates strong, perfectly aligned spline joints for boxes, cabinets, frames, and furniture. Its precision bearings, adjustable stop system, and CNC machined construction ensure smooth, repeatable cuts, while full router lift access speeds up adjustments for a more efficient woodworking workflow. This 18 volts cordless heat gun delivers adjustable temperatures up to 550 degrees Celsius for shrinking, stripping, drying, and shaping applications. Featuring an LCD display, precise temperature control, multiple airflow settings, and interchangeable nozzles. It offers versatile performance with the convenience of cordless operation. The Tyler Pad Up is a versatile rubber support designed for cutting, drilling, gluing, and handling tiles with greater stability. Its durable, non-slip rubber feet protect tools and surfaces, while the lightweight, stackable design offers excellent load capacity, easy cleaning, and efficient workspace organization. The FEIN sanding plate set delivers fast, smooth sanding with excellent control and minimal kickback. Compatible with Starlock Plus tools, it features a durable backing plate, dust extraction support, and multiple sanding grits, making it ideal for everything from aggressive material removal to fine finishing. The 40-volt brushless Hedge trimmer delivers gas-like cutting power with quieter, emission-free operation. Its 24-inch single-sided blade features curved teeth for clean, efficient trimming, while the long battery life and built-in debris shield make tackling thick hedges faster and easier. The Ogura Rebar Bender and Straightener delivers powerful on-site bending and straightening of rebar up to 32 mm with precision and ease. Paired with the high-performance rebar cutter, it provides fast, accurate cutting and bending, helping construction professionals handle demanding reinforcement work more efficiently. The Empire Self-Leveling 3-Point Laser projects bright green reference points with a working range of up to 125 feet for fast, accurate layouts. Its rugged, self-leveling design, magnetic mounting, and long battery life make it a dependable tool for demanding job site applications. The M18 Jobsite Lunch warmer keeps meals hot and ready with preset heating, adjustable temperature settings, and long-lasting battery power. Its leak-proof containers, durable impact-resistant design, and pack-out compatibility make it the perfect companion for busy professionals working on demanding job sites. This Ratchet pipe cutter delivers fast, one-handed cutting for copper, brass, aluminum, PVC, and thin-wall conduit. Its 360-degree ratcheting action and quick-release handle make clean, precise cuts easy, even in tight spaces where traditional pipe cutters struggle. The cordless Pendulum Jigsaw delivers powerful, precise cutting through materials up to 120 mm thick. Its advanced blade guidance ensures accurate, clean cuts, while versatile accessories and a compact 18-volt battery make it ideal for everything from straight cuts to intricate curves. The WORKPRO 20 volts. Brushless angle grinder delivers cordless power with 3-speed settings and a soft start system for smooth, controlled cutting and grinding. Paired with the ultra-thin PRO cutting wheel, it provides fast, clean cuts through steel and stainless steel with excellent durability. This internal extractor set removes bearings, bushings, seals, and other recessed components with precision and minimal effort. Designed for diameters from 8 to 30 mm, it evenly distributes pulling force and works with a counter support or slide hammer for safe, efficient extraction. That's our lineup of 20 incredible new tools pushing innovation to the next level. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more amazing tools and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.